What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Flood Escape with Miguelcoolno2, and I'll just let you guys know when the hard map is over. So guys, the round is starting. So here we go on a hard map. Oh my god, I almost made that jump. Come on, my friend, come on, we can do this. Why is he just standing there? No, why would you just do? I won't make that jump, I don't. Let me take shortcuts. Let me cut some corner. Oh my god, you literally scared me, but my friend did not make it. That's impossible. He's a plus. So I'm just gonna make everybody do the work, guys, because I want to do this because my friend is really good at this. Because I go for everybody and hard. Guys, I tried recording one more. Oh wait, he buried second. So go, let's go. We beat it. We beat it the second map, so let's try to beat the third map. This is the map where I get so confused. Was it me? Oh! Guys, oh my god, I almost put right there, guys. So guys, I might make you guys might saw the animation, but I decided to make another video because I haven't uploaded in the week. I haven't this is my first. I'm gonna go for this. No, we got that one, okay. Just made it, guys. So we have to go to the medium and I'll let you know when the medium is done. So guys, I'm sorry, I was just chatting him. I was telling him that we beat medium at the first try. We could do it easily because the reason we can do it. No, I don't get the part. Yes, I do get that part, but I don't. Everybody's surviving the medium one. Oh my god, he almost did not make it, my friend. That was cool, Miguel. Come on, the flood is rising. No, I just going in. Oh, this is cool actually because we can. Because we might beat the medium one at the first try. Oh my god, somebody go for the button. I'm not going for that one because I always fail. Yes! Oh my god, this is amazing. Especially everybody made the medium one. That's good, guys. That's right, it's good for our health. Okay, oh, yes! Let's just make a run for medium, guys. So I'll let you know when the medium elevator is over. So guys, I'm so sorry, but you guys won't believe what this girl just did. She fell on the water and for out of nowhere she glitched. Like she didn't drown. Like it was impossible, guys. Like that was unbelievable. That was unbelievable. Like I kept spectating it and this girl was like unbelievable. I'm for real, guys. So I'll just let you know when the round starts. Okay guys, so we started it. So guys, I want you to leave your comment down below if you want to get a shout out for the next video. And guys, remember, I might make a Minecraft series. I don't know if I said that in one of the videos, but if you guys want a Minecraft series, even if I didn't say it, then comment down below. But if someone does say in this video, anyways, not gonna make it like today or tomorrow because it told me I have to play it in 1 month. Like it also did not show up. Anyways, the scream is anyways gonna be bad, but the voice is gonna be good. That's the only thing I would say if we made the Minecraft videos. So let's go on. If we finished easy at the first try too, we might do some mini games. Might do some mini games. We're on the flood escape. Wait, how do you do this? Oh yes, I took the shortcut. These girls don't get it. Let me show them how. So you guys fart and then it's good. You guys didn't get this. Let's go. Wait, I don't remember raising towers like this. I remember like a different color as the background. No, oh wait, he fell but on the tower. He still made it. That's amazing. I'm just gonna stay here for my friend. I want to make sure she makes it because I know, guys, it's unbelievable. We beat it hard together with none of us falling at the first try in medium two and in easy two. None like on the hard one, none of us like me or Miguelcoolno2 we did not fall to death. In medium, that's happened the same thing. And it happened at the first try. I don't know if this can happen on medium. Somebody just get the button. Oh yeah, baby, we're gonna do epic mini games. Whatever it's called. Come on, Mateo. Oh, it's gonna confuse all of this. Now, guys, we're gonna do some mini games. So we're gonna try to be reaction. Let's go in. So get ready. Yellow. So this is what we happily normally have to do. We just have to jump on the colors where they say. Get ready. Green! Oh my god! My friend made it, but I didn't make it. Oh, that was a sad thing. Get ready. Yeah! Yes! Yes, I go on 3 point. Let's try to get at least 5 times. Get ready. Green! Yikes! Yes, we have 2 in a row. Get ready. Red! Okay, we made it. Get ready. How did you know he jumped without even said it yet? So we need one more and then we can done. Get ready. Red! We made 5 in a row, guys, so we're out of here. So now we're gonna find Code Cracker. So how do you wait? How do we do this? Oh, I think it's blocked. That's why. So let me just do agility. So let's try go agility. Where are you? Come, let's try to do agility. Let's try to do 2 of these in a row. Oh, he said he has to go. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, guys. We're doing good for now. 3 training points. So we're just gonna do one more and that will be the end of the video. So meanwhile we end the video, I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Another adventure with with me and Miguelcoolno2. We might make another video with me and Miguelcoolno2. Just comment down below which game should I play tomorrow. And I hope I can see you in another video. I hope I can see you in another video. Next, I will do a part. And I'm glad we finished part 2. We don't have to do no more. Let's Escape 2. Well, we might play another time, like in 1 more year. We're gonna play again. It was really fun adventure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And don't forget leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what game should I play. And comment down below if you want to get a shout out. Subscribe it and comment down below if you want to get a shout out. And and also comment down below if you wanted me to see play Miguelcoolno2, Allen Gamer 2010, Dab 9782 again. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.